Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You discovered Bri Budgets. Alrighty guys, so for today's video we're going to be doing another cash stuffing, and this is going to be for paycheck 4. So I guess we'll go ahead and get right on into it. Alrighty, so this is my caramel binder and it holds my money. But this week's paycheck was $800. This did include a bonus, you guys, so super blessed and fortunate to have received that. But we'll go ahead and get this money all nice and count it out. Alrighty, so like I said, I should have 800, so it's 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 650, 670, 690, 700. 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $800. So we'll go ahead and put it on our tray, but make it cute. So you guys, my nails, I'm like literally so obsessed with them. I don't know, I just can't get away from the shape, like the coffin shape. I cannot get away from it at all. It's so cute to me. They're like long and I don't know. Once I got my long nails like a long time ago, I never like could go to short again. Just couldn't do it. But yeah, so here we are. Here's a little close-up cam, you know, nail cam or whatever. Super cute. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get started. So this is my white binder, and she holds all of my bills and expenses. So starting with rent, we're going to be putting in $183. Okay, so that's 150, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3. So since this is my 4th paycheck, you guys, that means that we are also going to be doing a back to the bank video because I have to take this money back to the bank to pay my bills. So stay tuned for that one. So in here I should have a total of $732, which I budget $730 for my rent. So depending on how much it actually comes out to, I might have a little bit of money left over. Well, I will have money left over. Alrighty, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 5, 56, 620, 640, 660, 680, 690, 700, 710, 720, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, awesome. So that is rent. She's all done and ready to be paid. Ooh-wee. Alrighty, so car note's going to be getting its normal $63. So that's 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. So that's 50, 100, 150, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Alrighty, phone bill's gonna be getting $35 today. It's $20.35. Alrighty, so that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. Perfect. Okay, Discover's gonna be getting its normal measly little $20, but it's something, so 20. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. Citibank's gonna be getting that whopping $150. 150. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 55, 56. Perfect. $600 towards my credit cards. Gotta love it, right? Alrighty, Apple Card's gonna be getting a measly $15. Boom, 10, 15. So that brings me to 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Alrighty, subscriptions is getting $5. Ooh. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20. Alrighty, Dead Snowball is going to be getting a massive 119. Wow, guys, so I just realized that the bank actually gave me 2 50s instead of a $100 bill, and I always write my denominations out and give it to the teller. Wow, they didn't give me my paper back. I was wondering why. They usually always give me my paper back, but that's probably why. I don't know why they would do this. I mean, it's the same amount, but it kind of throws my denominations off, because if I wanted 119, then I would do one $100 bill, a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. But now I have 2 50s. No big deal, but yeah, I'm just like, what the heck? But it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and pull 119 for my Debt Snowball. So 2 50s or whatever. Well, I hope nothing else is wrong. That kind of threw me off. All right, so that's 50, 100, 110, 115, 116, 17, 18, 19. So we'll go ahead and add this in. Alrighty, so Snowball should have $680. That's $680 going towards a credit card, you guys. That is so awesome for me. So we got 1, 2, 3, 354, 455, 556, 620, 630, 640, 650, 655, 660, 665, 670, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Wonderful. $680 going to Citibank. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, great. So that is the end of my bills and expenses. Let's go ahead and do my next one. Alrighty, this is my black baby, and she holds all of my sinking funds. So everything in this binder is going to be getting some money today, so that's super exciting. So Bri Spinning's getting a whopping $20, which actually brings me to 100. So that's 20, 40, 60, 81. All right, Bri Savings is going to be getting 30 today, 20 and 30. Alrighty, so that brings me to 263. That's 50, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, 255, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. I cannot wait to deposit all of this money. You guys will find out why very, very soon, but every single bit of money that I have, I'm going to be depositing it into my account, and we're going to be doing something very, very different and interesting. Hang tight, and you guys will see what. So Luxury is going to be getting $20 today. 20. Oops. Just dropped all the money today. Alrighty, so that's 150, 250, 270, 280, 285. Perfect. Alrighty, so Camera's gonna be getting 200, ooh, $20. I wish Cameron was getting 200, but it's gonna be getting $20 today, so another 20. So that's 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 260, 275. We moving up there. We are climbing on up. Car maintenance is going to be getting $20. 20. So that is 120, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. 188. Alrighty, gifts is going to be getting $20. 20. So that's 50, 100, 120, 130. Alrighty, medical is going to be getting $20 today. That's 20. So we have 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 185. Alrighty, travel's going to be getting 30. It's 20, 30. Alright, so that's 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125. And last but certainly not least, emergency fund is going to be getting $30. This is my growing one. Look at her go. This one is 30, so it's 20, 30. This one has grown, you guys. I'm over the like half bib mark, and that makes me so happy. Soon I'll be to my 1,000, and I'll probably would deposit it into a bank and replace it with a 1K slip. So yay! Alrighty, so let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 50, 4, 420, 440, 460, 480, 520, 530, 540, 550, 555, 560, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Perfect. $566 in emergency fund. Woohoo! Alrighty, you guys, so that sums up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, please do like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely recommend checking out my TikTok, Bri Budgets, and my Instagram, the Bri Budgets. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye, guys.